In the world of digital marketing, image submission sites plays a very crucial role to boost your website SEO. So today we want to learn about how to do image submissions for off-page SEO and why they are so beneficial, why image submission is a very beneficial activity. So first of all, let's discuss how and why we use image submission sites. Basically, image submission sites offers several benefits. Some of the benefits are they increase the backlinks for your website. SEO is all about doing on page, off page, and when we are talking about off page, we means to create good quality backlinks. With while doing some submissions on image website, we can increase and had opportunity to get a backlink from that particular website which has a good online visibility and presence on Google. Second benefit is your images can reach to a wider audience through these platforms, which can lead to your brand recognition. And third, which is really very important, that properly tagged images, these can give you a chance to rank on even into image search results on Google search. So to maximize your SEO efforts and benefits, it is really very important to include image submissions also as a off-page activity. So while performing image submissions, we have to follow certain steps. So let's quickly go through what are those steps. Number one, images, high quality images. We have to ensure that whatever images we are using, they are relevant to your content. If you're promoting a car rental business, the image should be related to a car rental. If you're promoting a carpenter or a plumber service, the image should reflect that. Okay. And number two is high resolution images. It should not have a poor resolution or a bad resolution. It should have a high resolution, HD resolutions. And images, they should be optimized for web. That is really very important. They should not be heavy in size. They are compressed, but making sure if they are compressed, the quality doesn't compromise. Second important step you need to follow is the naming of an image. If you name an image, it should not be like screenshot.jpg or image123.jpg. It should have a rich name. It is a very good practice to include your keywords in the name. If you're using a image for a carpentry service, the image should name like a carpentry service. Okay. And if you want to do local SEO, then maybe you can use PPC services in Dubai as an example if you're promoting a PPC service for a client. And another best practice while naming an image, you should include hyphens like we have used here. Give an example, best SEO strategy. Instead of combining best SEO strategy, which is not readable, let's put it together with a hyphen. It is more readable. So apply this tip. Another aspect while doing image submission activities, you should always give a proper alt text and a proper title tags. Search engines read about your images. It's nothing like that they can't read images. Search engine read images. So in order to read it correctly, we can give the command by alt text and as well as title text. So it should be very concise. It should be descriptive. Along with that, it should include your relevant keywords while you are naming your alt text and title text. Another step, first of all, see, we have done so far related to an image. It should be a high quality, it should be relevant, we should give an alt text, the naming should be proper. Now we have to submit it. So if you are planning to submit in a right image submission platform, you have to choose it very wisely. The DAPA should be high and the spam score should be minimal. That's the best approach and to find a reputable image submission website. And some of the examples are Pinterest, Flickr, Amger, Instagram. These are the really high quality websites where you can do the submissions blindly. Another aspect, now you have the image ready, now you have the platform ready. While making submissions, you have to make sure that you use relevant description to describe your image, number one. Number two, you are putting a link back to your website, because whole this process we are doing to get a backlink, and if you are forgetting that important step, you are not doing your SEO off page properly. The backlink is the key. That's why link back to your website is the important aspect. Relevant description talking about that particular image or a service you're offering through your image is the key while doing submissions. Choose proper category. If you are doing any submission for a business category, choose business. If you're doing um, something for environment, choose environment, etc, etc. You will get all the list of the category selection. Just choose widely which is relevant to your business. Another aspect is, if you do the submit it properly, encourage to engage and share as much as you can. More visitors you will get, more engagement you will get, more brand recognition you will get, more online visibility you will get. That's the whole idea, whole process of doing SEO, to get online visibility, brand recognitions, etc. After you submit, now it's time to monitor also whether this particular website or platform is giving you good results as expected or not, and where to check. To check, you have to go to your Google console, you have to check your Google Analytics, that whether these are images are performing good enough or not. Avoid over submissions. Spamming, don't spam your images. Choose always quality over quantity. Don't go for quantity, always go for a quality. If you're doing quality work, Google will recognize it. It will give you the appreciation in form of pushing your website more and more close to the page one. Maintain the consistency and update your websites regularly is the key to success. Consistency is the key for any task. So if you're doing image submission on a website, do it consistently with the fresh content. Don't use again and again the same images. I hope it is clear what are image submission, what role they play, and what are the steps. Now we will be doing a practical example of how to submit a website. I have pulled out one or two websites, and then we'll start submitting the image submissions, how the dashboard looks, how we do the submissions. Let's do it together. So this is a website called Divyan Art. We will be doing the submissions here today. So we will sign up for account. Sign up account is really very easy. You need to enter your name, email and phone number. One, you sign up for the account and an email will comes to your email address which is associated while registering your account. You have to verify that particular account, and then you will come to this particular like dashboard where you can see and where you can do the submission. So I am coming into Deviant Art, and if you see, I have already signed up for the account for the time saving, and it is giving me an option on the right top, submit. What do you need to submit? You need to submit your art, you need to submit your AI work, you need to submit an update, a content or a journal or literature or a subscription. Here I am submit to my art, which is my deviation. So I click on it. Now it is asking me upload your draft. Upload your draft. I clicked upload your draft, and here I selected this image submission. I click enter, and here I go. Already is there. Let me edit it for you. So here you need to enter the title. Here you can enter image. We need to use abbreviations here. Can't use abbreviation, it should be in full form. Image submissions. Now it is asking me to put a description, so I am taking this description from my content only. You can take help of ChatGPT and to write a good description about this. And now I am adding, which is very important step, is the link back to my website, because that's why I'm doing this particular exercise. And then image is there, title is there. There is no option to select any kind of tag or category. Nothing is there. I'm not putting or changing anything. I just hit submit. That's the very easiest way and view your deviation. That's it. That's the very easiest way to do an image submission. It is really very easy. A image is coming, a title is coming, and the description is coming. And moreover, if you want to like that's it. That is goes. Now quickly do a submissions on another website which is called Amgar. In this again we will be doing a submission. Let me just drag and do the settings of the camera. Okay, so now again on this particular website I have clicked sign up for the account using my email, phone number, and did the verification. That's why I'm here. So now it is coming to me a dashboard like this. And okay, let me do some adjustments once again. Okay, new post. On the top left I have an option drop images here. I can choose or paste the URL. So what I'm doing right now, I'm choosing an image, same image which I have used earlier. Okay, it's again it will load. Now it is asking me for a title and for a description. So let's pick the title, which is my title. So in your case, if you're doing image submissions for a service page, then the service title will come up here along with the description. You can choose a description from the content itself, or nowadays ChatGPT is the king. You can use ChatGPT to write a very engaging description, and then you have to do this important step, which is linking back to your website. So I have put this. Again, nothing. Do you want to add more images? No, I don't have any. It is asking me for some tags. So I will tell image submission sites. Enter. You can add more tags. Minimum 3 tags are recommended, and nothing. And then you have to click post to the gallery. Yes, I want to post to the gallery. And here you go. This is your another link for the image submissions. A proper title is coming, a proper image is coming, and description, and the link back to your website. This is how image submission websites works. There are plenty of websites which offer free as well as paid. So if it is offering you free, you can follow these steps to do it. If you're offering paid, they always provide some service to do the submissions. You just need to provide the document, but in some cases you also have to put the information, and putting information is really very easy. You need to just upload the image, title, description, and link back to your website, and tags and category in case it is required. So image submissions are one of the very important website activity which everyone should follow if they are doing off-page SEO for their website.